Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a difficult USB device or maybe even like a Bluetooth device on your computer. So a lot of times I'm trying to just uninstall a headset and I go to Bluetooth and devices right here. And I tried to find it under here. So like here's my DualSense Edge wireless controller. I can just click the three little lines and remove device. And sometimes it simply just doesn't remove. So I have like AirPods under here too. I can remove the device under here and it's removing. Now, if it doesn't remove, let's go on down to search, type in device manager, and open this up. And then go to this and drag it over to the appropriate screen. And we want to locate this under a couple different areas. So if it's a Bluetooth device, we have it connected via Bluetooth. Going over to Bluetooth and select that. Go up to view, go to show hidden devices so we can just see everything. And then scrolling down under this list. So I already removed my iPhone or my AirPods from Bluetooth. So you're going to see them under here probably. Then also, you're probably going to see them under audio and maybe even USB, depending on how you connect them or not. So let's go on down and search for any kind of audio devices. So we have sound, video game controllers right here. We can go to this. And do I see AirPods? Well, I just removed it, so they're not going to show up under here. So you might have to remove it from multiple different areas is my point here. And then we have universal serial bus controllers or bus drives. So just look under these three areas to see if your device is listed on there. And then you can go ahead and just remove it. So select it. So here's DualSense wireless controller, and then go to uninstall device up top right here. And that should force it off your system. So you might have to remove it from here. And if it's a Bluetooth device, you might have to remove it from here as well. And here's DualSense wireless edge controller as well. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.